Hey everyone, this is Lindy from Love Create Celebrate, and today I'm excited to be joining Christina from the DIYmummy.com for her Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge. All of the wooden pieces you see here were bought at my local dollar store, and I'll be using them to make some beautiful modern Christmas decor. First off is this simple shadow box sign. I used some dollar store wooden letters to spell out the word Noel, but you can spell out any Christmas word like Merry or Joy or whatever you find that fits into your shadow box. Once you know what word you're going to spell, use a glue gun to glue them into place in the center of your picture frame. After that, take the whole piece outside and give it a good coat of spray paint. I used the flat white spray paint from Krylon, and I definitely had to go over the design 2 or 3 times before I got a solid white coating. And when you're done, it should look something like this, a beautiful modern shadow box. Our next dollar store DIY starts with spray paint. I used a flat black spray paint from Krylon to spray these little wooden houses I'd found at the dollar store. This definitely takes a couple of coats on each side of the wooden house before it's ready. I wanted to allow light to shine through the windows of these little houses, so I started by drilling a hole in the bottom and then clamping the house down safely and using my jigsaw to cut a hole in the bottom of the house. When you're done, you can put a little battery-powered tea light inside and light up your little house for the holidays. And finally, we're going to use a couple of those dollar store letters to make some DIY ornaments. For the first ornament, I'm attaching a few letters to spell the word joy. I'm overlapping the letters a little bit and using a glue gun to stick them together. The second ornament is just going to be a single letter, and I'm using a W as that's the first letter in my son's name. Use a handheld drill or a drill press to drill a hole in the corner of your letter ornaments and the corner of your word ornament. Then you can spray paint your ornaments whatever color you like. I chose to use the same colors as the earlier projects, so I spray painted my W black and I spray painted my word ornament white. Once you've done enough coats of spray paint, you can thread a string through your word ornament so it's ready to hang on the tree. You can also thread something through your letter ornament to hang that on the tree. And then you can either leave the letter the way it is, or you can add a little sparkle like I did. I just added some Mod Podge to the bottom half of my ornament and then covered it with glitter. I love the idea of making a letter for each person in my family, or just a letter to mark special occasions like baby's first Christmas. And I only made one of these word ornaments, but now I definitely want to make more because they look so great on the Christmas tree. I hope you liked these DIY dollar store Christmas projects. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, for more great DIYs and tutorials, visit lovecreatecelebrate.com.